Hey friends, hey fam, what's poppin'? This is not the actual intro to this video, but I did just want to take a quick moment and tell you guys how much I appreciate your kind words and your stories and everything that you shared on my most recent diary entry video. It meant the absolute world to me, and I still have so many more comments to read, but I just appreciate you guys. And for anyone who is new and subscribed after seeing that video, welcome. We're so happy to have you in this Nugget Head gang, our little corner of the internet. I just wanted to say I appreciate you guys.
How about we dance to the silence? How about we organize a riot? In defiance, how about we intertwine in likeness, just like this? No, I like the feeling just like this. I like you drive just like this. I love the feeling just like this. I love you right just like this.
Yeah, boy. Damn.
1, 2, 3.
Delish. Shelby's heel. All her Shelby stands. Rise up.
Rise up.
Reveal yourself.
Reveal your comments. Comments immediately. Who is the Shelby stan? We must unite.
Saw her at the terminal with a sign close and personal. To see your face light up, ooh, she's a lightning mood. Strike shirt on the careful up boy wind out, chasing out the sun. From the city to Chattanooga, don't you steal the thunder. Don't you steal the thunder. Wake up at the right time, looking at my light. I don't say you just fine. On and on, we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Yeah. Baby, take your time. You got your whole life. Put faith in the sky. On and now we gotta keep it
up. Hey friends, hey fam, what's poppin'? I hope you guys are doing so super well today. Staying hydrated, living your best life, checking in with your friends, your family, your heart, and your mind above all things. My name is Janae, and I typically post home decor and lifestyle videos right here on the tube. And today, we doing all of that. We doing all of that because we got a little home decor, we got a little lifestyle, and we're just gonna take you through a few calming days of our week because last week was really hectic and we actually have a bit of a slow week. So why not give you a nice little restful vlog? I just finished doing my makeup and I'm about to do a fun little shoot for Dr. Martens, which I'm super jazzed about. They are a super fun client, but I'm trying to put together an outfit. I feel like this could be cute, but also could not be. And this has some potential. So we're just in here right now trying to put something together. We'll see. There is hope.
up. to Amore. Okay, pause. Wanna take a flight right now and then we'll rock slow. Cradle me back and forth, baby, need a bit part enough and now my legs. Make a nectar on your lips, hit the on the rocket shit.
She has a case to match. Wow.
Oh bad, my fake, my janky. Because I did adjust my clothing and I got all messed up.
You special, and we first, you the winner one. Two legs just like two legs. You like you, pigs, when got shot by Cupid. Now I
It is the next day. I could not bear to film after yesterday's shoot because a lot of things were going wrong. I was losing light and it was really taking away from this calm vlog. So I just had to rest afterwards.
until we bleed. I couldn't buy flowers while I was in the 9 to 9.
And now a quick word from today's sponsor, which before I even get into it, I have to thank you guys because a sponsor wouldn't even be possible if it weren't for your love and support. So thank you. And now to Skillshare. Let's talk about Skillshare. I'm so excited about this sponsorship because I've been using Skillshare since the fall of 2020. I've already learned so much valuable information on there regarding plant care, as well as YouTube success and even graphic design, minor graphic design. If you are not familiar with Skillshare, it's an online learning community for creatives where millions of people can come together and to take the next step in their creative journey, whether that has to do with illustration, graphic design, music. Honestly, there's something on there for everyone. But my absolute favorite part is that it's really easy to work Skillshare into your regular day-to-day life simply because the courses are broken down into 2-minute to 8-minute segments, and it is less than $10 a month for an annual subscription, which is a great deal when it comes to self-development and expanding your knowledge. The first 1,000 subscribers to click the link in the description will get a free trial to a premium membership so you can explore your creativity. Thanks again to Skillshare for sponsoring this video, and let's get on with the vlog.
Light turns to dust. I'm down to nothing. I am no longer in control. Over my shoulder, I feel it get colder. I'm told that I should offer my soul. Then all at once I feel my eyes roll back in time to see my life, and I can't change.
Shelby and I just got dressed and ready, ate some lunch, and we are about to get out a little bit and run some quick errands. Nothing stressful, thankfully. And then maybe we might get a little treat. We haven't decided what the treat's gonna be yet, but we're gonna take you guys along, and yeah, I'll see ya.
if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry my service bad, my bad. When I wake up you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want.
Always waving. Happy smiling.
It's you. It's you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. It's you. It takes two. All I want is you. Tell me, does a flower in the shade ever feel a little jealousy? Does it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me right now. Just dance with me right now.
Seeing the pain, seeing the pleasure. Nobody but you, nobody but me. So welcome up the neighbors.
Just dance with me right now. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want.
We are back home. Sorry if it's loud, I just put another load of laundry in, but my goodness, does anyone else like go run 1 or 2 errands and then you're dead tired afterwards? Because every time Shelby and I leave the house for something simple, we are suddenly exhausted. And that's what's happening right now. It's 4:50, which is not that late. We're going to just, I think, relax right now for a little bit. I am going to actually be doing some research. I've been trying to narrow down what to put in the living room and also in our office to complete those spaces. I'm taking my time with those processes because, yeah, spending money should happen slowly. And especially since it's like my first time acquiring pieces that I hope to have throughout my adulthood. Yeah, it's taking me a while, which is why there haven't been that many home updates. All right, love ya. Bye.
Feels like I've been gone.
Hey, you're looking kinda old.
So long, moonlight on the lawn, and your hand-me-down car feels so far away, away.
If you made it this far in this video, thank you so much for watching and for sticking around. I appreciate you, and you already know who you are. You know what you is. You the best, you the baddest, and I love you so, so much. And I'll see you in the next video. You ain't nothing but a bad bitch. Hey, you ain't nothing but a bad bitch. Hey.